What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video just because I was only able to get out for a few hours today, kind of dodging rainstorms that were coming through, but got a couple nice catches and some good action, so I wanted to put the video together. So I went down to a little canal in Naples that I really love to fish this time of the year in like October and November. We get a lot of rainfall still around this time, so really fills up some of these backwater canals, and it allows snook and tarpon and bass to kind of push back farther than they normally would be able to. And there's plenty of bait in here. There's little bluegill, cichlids, just little shiners, you know, shad, all back here. So they come back here, they kind of just feed on those, and when a lot of rain comes through, you can definitely target some culverts, some spillways around these types of canals, and usually you can get on a pretty good bite. They're all sitting right there with the water flow fired up. So that's what we did today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Dang, something is all over this. There we go. That's a snook. Nice. Not a bad one. Sitting right on this culvert. Very cool. Dang, another one right there. Come up for it. Again. He's about to get it. Oh my God. Come on. Oh man. Oh, that's a tarpon. No. Oh, that was a decent tarpon. That was so cool. Oh shit. I'm using the Fish Lab Nature Series 3.5-inch paddle tail in the sexy shad color. Looks just like a little shad or a bluegill. I just knew after this storm with all the rain and flooding that this little canal back here was going to be pretty decent. Man, I wish we could have landed that tarpon. Okay, that was a little snook. I'm pretty sure I saw the line on him. Snook. It's freshwater snook on the chatterbait. $27. Pretty good for a backwater canal fish.